What's up, y'all, and welcome to the channel. My name's Daniel, and today marks the beginning of a very exciting journey. I'm sharing with you today that I'm starting my very own AI automation agency. So if you're an AI enthusiast, a budding entrepreneur, or just curious about the world of automation in general, definitely subscribe and follow the journey. So before we dive into the technicalities and the daily grind, let's talk about the vision. So why even an AI automation agency? What's the dream? So why an AI automation agency, right? It might seem a little bit random, it might seem kind of out of left field, but it's actually not. And to aid in this discussion, right, I've created a visual aid with my handy dandy whiteboard. So the reason why an AI automation agency is because it's at the intersection of three things, right? My skills, timing, and scalability. So as for my skills, I have a background in technology and software. So I have a degree in computer science. I'm actually certified in AI. I've developed a lot of machine learning models over the years. I've developed a lot of mobile applications, web applications, custom software for a lot of clients. So I have a pretty good understanding of the development cycle, how to develop software and technology. And I've worked at a big tech company as well. So I have a pretty big background in software and technology. Now for timing, right? I'm sure I don't have to tell you that AI is everywhere. Everybody's talking about AI. It's the next big thing. AI this, AI that, right? But although we hear all this stuff about AI, I still think we're actually in the early adopter phase, right? So every business or most businesses in the world aren't actually implementing AI, and they might actually benefit from an AI solution. So it could be automating certain processes in their business, whether it's customer service, onboarding, lead generation or lead capturing, outreach, staff training, whatever it might be, right? There are so many different processes that can be automated using AI that almost any business can benefit from implementing AI into their business. So we're in a great time for the market, right? We're still pretty early days, and there's a lot of small to medium businesses that could really benefit from AI being implemented. And finally, scalability. So using the agency model with AI software development is actually very, very lucrative. And the reason is, once you've developed one solution for a customer, another customer might have a similar use case, but all you would need to do in that instance is take the solution that you've already built for a previous client, tweak it a little bit, make sure that it is using this specific business's data and also spitting out the answers and responding in a way that business wants. And from that point, it's really easy. So as time goes on, your turnaround time gets shorter and shorter and shorter because you have more and more software solutions to pick from that you can just go in, plug and play, and tweak to certain businesses' solutions. AI and automation aren't just buzzwords. They're revolutionizing how we work and how we live. My main goal is to bring this transformative power to small and medium businesses, helping them thrive in the digital era. It's not just about technology. It's about empowering businesses with smarter solutions. Like any venture, it's all about laying the groundwork. I've spent months researching, planning, and setting the foundation. From understanding market needs to drafting a business model that aligns with our vision. Every step is crucial. Here, you can see me actually setting up and implementing one of our AI solutions for one of our clients. So you'll see more of the entire process from client acquisition to fulfillment in later videos, but here you can just see the final steps for one of our clients. As we embark on this journey, I'll be documenting every step, the successes, the setbacks, and everything in between. I want this channel to be a real, raw look into building an AI automation agency from the ground up. So if you're interested in AI, entrepreneurship, or just love a good startup story, subscribe and join me on the journey. Together, we're going to learn a lot and hopefully make a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.